Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video guys, I'm going to start painting the bumper covers and start applying the sealer. Now, talking about the sealer, a lot of people have been asking what kind of sealer am I using. This is the brand of sealer. It's from Eurochem, and the one I'm using, it's a medium gray. It does need activator, hardener, and it does need reducer. It's a real good sealer. I've used it for a while. I've never had problems with it. So let's just mix it up and get started. Alright guys, there was the first coat of sealer, and this is the first coat of a base, a paint. Now you saw me lower down the pressure on the gun, and also I gave it one turn back in on the fluid. That is to ensure that I can spray everything inside these little tight areas. So that's the only thing that I did different. Other than that, everything was sprayed like I've been showing you. All right, so let me just wait 15 minutes for the paint to dry, then I'll start applying the second coat of paint of base. And there we go. This is 3 coats of base. Everything's ready. I'm gonna start applying the clear. So let me just start mixing it. I'm gonna be using the Grand 7. This is my favorite clear. And there it is, guys. I'm using slow hardener. It's about 99 here inside, so it is hot. And there it is. So let me just start applying the first coat of base of clear. Let me start applying the first coat of clear. So let's get to it. And there it is, guys. This is after 3 coats of base and 3 coats of clear. You can see right there, nice and glossy, nice and wet. And I didn't add more coats on the bumper covers of clear. Reason being is that I'm not gonna buff it. I'm gonna be buffing the car, but I'm not gonna be buffing the bumper covers. There's no need for it. It came out real nice. So there it is, guys. And one thing, guys, that I have noticed is that some of the comments that that come in, I don't get notified. So if I take a little bit of time to answer your comment or your questions, just bear with me. YouTube sometimes doesn't notify me. So, but I'll go back and look at the comment and try to see if I can answer them. All right. Okay, guys, and this will be it for this video, guys. Guys, thank you very much. We're almost done with the car. I still need a couple of other parts that I need to paint black. But all in all, it's coming out real nice. And I am going to show you the car after everything's assembled, after everything's painted and ready to go. Okay, so that you can see how it came out. But this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Again, guys, be careful out there. This is a crazy time we're in right now. So just stay inside and stay with your family, guys. All right, guys, thank you very much for your support. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share the video. And this will be it for this video, guys. All right, thank you, guys. And like always, God bless.